Hello guys, you're all welcome to my channel. My name is Joy. Today's video is about making this beautiful maxi tiered dress. It's a gypsy dress and I'll be making a little alteration on the upper part here. I'm introducing a lace fabric just to give it an extra look. So this dress is a maxi dress and it has three tiers. One, two, three. It has a puff sleeve. This upper part will be plain black fabric, and the down part will be the two layers here will be the colored fabric. So these are the fabrics I'll be using. I'll be using this lace fabric for this part, this diamond shaped part. I'll be using this one for this is crepe. I have 3 yards here. I'll be using this for the two tiers down. And this is a liquid Mikado silk fabric. I'll be using it for the upper part and the first layer, the first tier. So this is going to be a very easy and fast process. I have my basic bodice pattern. In case you do not know how to draft a basic bodice pattern, it's already up in the channel. I will place a link in the description box so you can go and watch. This is my back bodice and this is the front bodice. I'm going to do the dark manipulation part so that I can get the diamond shape out. So if you observe closely, you'll notice that the diamond shape went all the way to the neckline and to the waist. But first of all, I want to drop my neckline a bit more than it is right now. I'll just drop it by 2.5 inches. No, 1.5 inch. 1.5 is fine. 1.5. So I just dropped my back neck and my front neckline, sorry. And then the next thing will be to transfer my that. But I will just draw my okay, let me open up right open and close. Let me open my bust. Then I'll also close my waist dart. Okay, so this is what I have right now. You can see my dart all closed. My bust dart and my waist dart are all closed. Then I'll draw the line for my the diamond shape. But take note that this point here, my bust point is my focal point. So I'll make sure that I connect whatever line I'm drawing to this point and to this. So let's see. Okay. Yeah. So I've gotten the diamond shape that I want, and then I'll cut out. But before I do that, this is my center front, and this is my side front. You can see how the pattern has collapsed already because all the dark excess has been taken out and transferred to this part. Can you see that? Hmm? It's that manipulation. So this is going to be my lace fabric, and this will be the plain fabric. Okay, so let's set this aside. I don't think there's anything I'll be doing at the back. There's nothing to do at the back. Nothing, nothing, nothing. So I'll just leave it like this. So let's cut. Let's go straight into the cutting. The sleeve is, oh sorry, it's not a basic sleeve. It's a puff sleeve. Can you see? It's a puff sleeve. So I already have a video on how to make a puff sleeve in my channel. I will advise that in case you do not know how to draft one, just go straight to the description box and learn how to draft a puff sleeve. Remember I said it's going to be three tiers. So the let me just draw the style. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is this is the sketch of the gown. I think it's looking clearer now. For this one, my waist circumference is I'm working with waist 32. So for this one, I'm going to double the waist. I'm cutting my fabric on straight grain. Okay. So 32 times 2 equals to 64. So I'm cutting here. I'm cutting 64 here. Okay. So for this one, I can decide to um, multiply by, let's say, that's this length. This length is 64. This the down part of this first one is 64. Mhm. So I can decide to add 32. That's my waist times 3. And then this one will be my waist times 4. It all depends on the amount of fabric I have or the effect I'm trying to create. Now the fullness I'm trying to add. So if I'm using my waist times 3 here, that's 32 times 3, that's 96. And 32 times 4 is 128. Okay, so this fabric is going to be 64 long. This will be this one will be 96, and this will be 128. Now, in terms of the length, my pattern is my shoulder to waist is 19, and then the shoulder to the floor of the fabric, to this point here is 67. So to get this down part will be 67 minus 19. So 67 minus 19 is That's 48 inches. Hmm? So this down part is 48 inches. Now I'm going to have to divide 48 into 3, or I can just say, okay, this one will have a larger portion. If I'm trying to create what is in the picture, the dress in the picture, let's say 48 divided by 3. Let me see. 9, that's 9. This length, long, that's in terms of the length. Hmm? This is 16 and this is 18. It's 18 inches. Okay, so that's all that we'll be needing. So I'll be cutting strips of fabric. The first one will be 14 by 64. The second will be 16 by 96. And the third will be 18 by 128. That's what I'll be cutting as my on my straight grain. Okay, let's set this aside and then cut. Um, let's take this one first. This is lace. So I'll just arrange my lace. My lace has a pattern. Just ensure that the pattern is well arranged to get that to get the best look. And it's going to be on fold. Remember, center front. So I'll just add half inch on now. Okay, so that'll be all for this part. I'll be cutting lining for this. So my pattern is correctly pinned on my fabric. I'm going to cut now. I'll just leave 1 inch here on the side, half inch on the armhole, half inch on the shoulder seam, half inch on the neck, and half inch around this part of the fabric. I'll do the same thing for okay. The first layer of the down part, remember I need 14 by 64. So let's see what we have here. Now this is 14 by 64 inches for the first layer. And for the other two layers, I'll be needing 16 by 96 and 18 by 132. Oh, I've cut all my pattern pieces. I've also gone ahead to cut the lining, so you can see that I have two here. This is the sleeve. Remember, it's a top sleeve, and this is the lining for the sleeve. I've also cut two for this one, the lining and the main fabric. And this is the back, and this is the down part, the first layer, the second, and the third. So, thank you guys for watching. We've come to the end of the pattern drafting and cutting tutorial for this our beautiful dress. Okay, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you have a question, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I'll be there to answer all your questions. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.